In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payments on your Squarespace website the easy way. Whether you're just starting with e-commerce or looking to expand your business, integrating a payment system into your website is crucial for smooth operations. So let's dive into the process and get your online store ready to receive payments seamlessly. Begin by heading over to your Squarespace homepage. This is your command center where all the magic happens. Now, once you're on your homepage, you'll notice a search bar, typically located at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on that search bar. It's going to be your best friend as you navigate through Squarespace's vast array of settings and options. After clicking on the search bar, type in the word Payments. As you type, you should see various options and settings related to payments start to appear. This is exactly where you want to be. You're doing great so far, so let's keep moving forward. Click on the Payments option that appears. This will take you to the Payments section of your website settings where you can manage how you want to accept money from your customers. Now, to accept payments, you'll need to choose a payment provider. Squarespace gives you a selection of trusted payment processors to work with, such as PayPal, Stripe, or Square. Choose the provider that best suits your business needs and click Connect. Connecting with a payment provider allows you to securely process transactions, ensuring your customers can purchase products with confidence. It's an essential step that also helps you keep track of your sales and revenue growth. Once you've clicked Connect, you'll be prompted to enter your account details for the payment provider you selected. This step is incredibly important for ensuring the security and accuracy of your transactions. So go ahead and carefully enter your account details. Be sure you have all the necessary information at hand to make this process quick and efficient. After successfully entering your account details, you'll click on a button labeled Continue. This final step in the integration process confirms and locks in all your settings. It acts as a handshake between Squarespace and your chosen payment provider, opening up a secure gateway for your online sales. And there you have it. You've just learned how to accept payments on your Squarespace website with ease. By carefully following these steps, you've set up a reliable and efficient way for your customers to make purchases. Congratulations on taking another step forward in growing your digital presence. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy selling on Squarespace.